Ready to have your mind blown? This vegan curry chicken might just steal your heart, or at least your plate.
Queen's Alchemy, 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 Alchemy. Queen's Alchemy.
Tribe, welcome back. This is Vibrations on the Plate, and you know how we do. We have good food, good vibes, and if you have something that you want me to veganize for you, like a favorite dish you've been craving, or something that you think that you might want to taste in a vegan style, let me know. Drop it on in the comments, because today's dish is inspired by Allison. She requested that I go ahead and veganize up some vegan curry chicken. So we get ready to see how that turns out. Go ahead and let's join me to get this going. All right, family, today on Vibrations on the Plate, we're making a simple, easy, totally comforting vegan curry chicken. This is one of those dishes that hits all the right vibes. Spicy, creamy, hearty, and 100% plant-based. And here you will see the simple, easy ingredients we're working with. First up, the star of the show, the jackfruit. It's our meat replacement. Open the can, dump out the brine, rinse it off, and soak it for 25 minutes so it loses that canned vibe. Then drain it, squeeze out all the extra water, toss it in a bowl with coconut aminos, black pepper, and a little grapeseed oil. Toss it around, and now it's ready for the oven. Spread it out in a dish and roast it for 400 degrees for 25 minutes, flipping it halfway through. Now it's going to be golden, tender, and basically perfect. Now, while that's roasting, let's chop up these onions. We're also going to chop up the garlic. We're going to dice those potatoes. And we're going to dice these carrots. Don't stress out about the perfect cuts, because it's not necessary. I mean, they're all going to bring out the texture and the flavor, no matter how they're cut up. In a pot, heat some grapeseed oil, saute onions and garlic until soft and smelling amazing. I mean, it's going to light up your nostrils. Now, toss in the secret weapon, that curry powder, so the pan wakes up and smells like a spice market. Once the pot is all seasoned, add in the potatoes. Coat them in the curry and toss in a whole Scotch bonnet pepper for that Caribbean kick. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes, and I mean, don't freak out, because the fragrance is going to take you for a ride. And now let's go ahead and layer in some additional spices. We're going to add some cumin, some allspice, black pepper, and them ground cloves. Next, let's pour in 1.5 cups of veggie broth and 1.5 cups to 2 cups of coconut milk. Stir it, and suddenly, once you stir it, suddenly your kitchen smells like heaven. Add the carrots, green onions, and the thyme. Add a little more black pepper. Now it's jackfruit time. Remove from the oven, and yes, look at the meaty texture. I mean, let's just add the whole pieces into the curry so it can soak up all the coconutty, spicy goodness. You're going to let that simmer together so it can get that beautiful taste and flavor into the jackfruit. And then we're going to be ready to plate. Now, let's plate it up. We're going to add a nice mound of rice and then pour that golden curry gravy with whole jackfruit on top, and look at it. The sauce coats everything, and the jackfruit sits proud in the middle. The potatoes and the carrots peek out like little colorful gems, and the green onions add a pop of life. It looks rich, hearty, and honestly, kind of irresistible. And now, the moment we all been waiting for. Let's taste. Vegan curry chicken. Look at that. So beautiful. So delectable. So hearty. Let's taste. This is seasoned to perfection. It has the right amount of kick, not too spicy, because I just don't like it spicy. You can kick up the spice level as much as you want, but this, hey, and I tell you, it's good. It's delicious. You better get you some. This is so easy to make and so delicious. Thank you so much, Allison, for the recommendation on making this meal, making this dish, because this right here is definitely vibrations on the plate. If you like this right here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you check out these 2 videos that I'm going to have here and here. And also, remember that at Queen's Alchemy, we do more than just nourish the body. We nourish the mind, body, and spirit. Until next time, peace, love, and light.